Hello friends, hope you are well and staying indoor during this pandemic. We all heard about merger and acquisitions, right? Here we bring top 5 truly global brands which are now Indian owned. So let's dive into it. SsangYong Motor Company is the 4th largest South Korean based automobile manufacturer which is owned by Indian multinational automotive giant Mahindra in 2013. As of January 2019, Mahindra holds around 75% stake in the company. Since its inception in 1954, the SsangYong Motor Company has become one of the leading automobile manufacturers in South Korea and over 98 networks all over the globe. SsangYong is well respected for its advanced styling and outstanding performance in SUV and car segments. The name literally means double dragon in Sino-Korean. Rexton, Corando, Tivoli and Chairman are well-known cars in its portfolio offerings. Next comes Royal Enfield. Who doesn't know its name? It is the oldest global motorcycle brand which is still in continuous production. Royal Enfield, the iconic British brand, was acquired by Indian automobile manufacturer HR Motors in 1993. It's famous for retro and cafe racer bikes like Bullet, Himalayan, Thunderbird 350, Interceptor 650 and other single-cylinder twin-cylinder motorcycles. It was first produced in 1901. It took part in World War II and it was called that time Flying Flea. Isn't it a nasty name for a legendary bike like Royal Enfield? But hold on, that's a long story to tell another day. Do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and comment us if you want a detailed video on Royal Enfield history. So let's move on. India's TVS Motor surprised the world by acquiring Norton Motorcycle, which is one of the most iconic British motorcycle brands of all time and a true racer bike. Norton Motorcycle was founded by James Lansdowne Norton in 1898 as a bicycle part supplier. It supplied British Army during World Wars, much like Royal Enfield. Argentine Marxist revolutionary Che Guevara and his epic bike trip where he undertook his friend starting in 1952. He used to call his Norton bike his diesel baby. Isn't it a cheeky name? Yeah, it's inspiring to see what began as a bike trip of two friends eventually went into rewrite the Latin American history once and forever, all thanks to a bike called Norton 500cc. Norton motorcycle products also like VRRR, Dominator, Commando 961 Cafe Racer series. Next comes Jaguar and Land Rover. Jaguar Land Rover, another marquee brand which was acquired by Tata from Ford Motors Company of USA way back in 2008, just before the global financial crisis. Jaguar Land Rover had been acquired at a cost of $2.3 billion. It is still the biggest takeover by any Indian company. Jaguar proudly holds a reputation of one of the strongest motorsport brands. Land Rover is known for its exceptional off-road capabilities. The two marquee brands, Jaguar and Land Rover, are merged into one entity with a range of luxury sedans, sports car, which was for the first time for an Indian brand. Its products include Discovery Sports, Range Rover Evoque, Jaguar F Series and Jaguar XE Series to name a few. So, we finally came to number 1. You probably have not heard its name, but it's synonymous to many sports cars you have heard. So let us introduce you to the legendary Italian design Pininfarina. India's Mahindra acquired 76% stake of Pininfarina, known for its designing for iconic brands like Ferrari, Rolls-Royce to name a few. Pininfarina was founded in 1930 and was most famously known for designing Ferrari, but also for Maserati, Rolls-Royce, Alfa Romeo, Cadillac and others, as well as recently redesigning Eurostar trains. Recently it unveiled Pininfarina Battista, the world's first pure electric luxury sports car in Geneva Motor Show 2019. Once production starts, it will be the fastest electric sports car and it will compete none other than Tesla. So watch out Elon Musk, you have an Indian competitor. So that's for the day. If you want to do us a video on upcoming hypercars, do comment below. Stay home, stay safe, meet you in the next video. Stay tuned with Maverick Facts.